Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in the vehicle, if I can remember. It was quite confusing at the start. I never use handbooks, but I did one the other day. So you've got map here, you've got nav menu, there's another arrow there, change route and so on, that brings up another menu. But what you actually need to press is this. There's like a little checkered flag here. So you click the checkered flag, and there you go, destination, go home, address, junction, post, point of interest, postal code. Now we're going for postal code. Again, it is quite complicated, this postal code. So again, click postal code, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, P. And you've got to be really accurate with your fingers. You've got big fingers like me, you really struggle. PR 5 and 4, and then it's defaulted back to letters J, S. I think, oh no, I've just pressed A there, so I can't bloody see with PR5 4JS. Now it won't go anywhere from there. If you press set, nothing happens. So you've got to put street in. So we'll click on street, and then we'll go to Chorley Road, which we're on. So C. Now it's defaulted to Chorley Road, so it's guessed it, and then click set. It's actually set, and again you've got to tell it twice. So you click set to confirm that the postcode was right, the road was right. Now you have to click start. So my fingers are just too big for this.
If possible, make a U-turn.
So that's it. So that's how you do the sat nav.